Government has approved the production of BT cotton, and there's an whole array of initiatives to ensure that those traditional cotton growing areas get back to cotton production. And trials are in 6 counties. By next year, we want to see a huge increase in production of cotton in those 6 counties that we are having trials on the BT cotton. The government has assigned 650 million, which will be in Rivatex next week, to ensure that this modernization process continues. Once we release that 650 million for Rivatex, we will increase employment to around 700. So you can see the kind of impact that investment is going to bring, not just to the region, but to the citizenry of the country. So going forward, we will want to impress on Kenyans to stop the liking for mutumba and these low-quality imported products and clothing. Please, let us get new and good clothes, courtesy of Rivatex. Buy Kenya, build Kenya.